$85,000 is the average yearly gross revenue you can generate with a solo operation. To reach this fast, you must use a specific routing trick that most beginners completely ignore. Starting this business requires a very low initial investment of only about $250. I recently interviewed a successful owner who started with exactly that amount and scaled up in months. Now, your setup plan involves getting a basic local business license and general liability insurance. I pause when looking at the data because the net profit margins here regularly exceed 80%. If you want to make your business highly profitable, you must follow this exact execution blueprint. Okay, let us do a walkthrough, assuming you charge an average pricing of $150. If you clean just 2 houses per day, that equals 10 houses a week and results in $1,500. Then, your weekly operating costs for fuel and cleaning supplies will consume less than $100. Remember that routing secret? Clustering your clients within a 5-mile radius saves 40% on fuel. This execution strategy ensures your weekly net earnings stay right around $1,400. With these high numbers, your return on investment time is incredibly short, taking less than 2 weeks. Now, a secret to securing recurring contracts is offering a 10% discount on bi-weekly visits. To operate efficiently, you need to acquire a specific set of physical tools, instruments E, and supplies. You require a powerful lightweight vacuum, microfiber cloths, spray bottles, and extendable dusters. Then you also need specialized disinfectants, glass cleaners, heavy-duty plastic buckets, and safety gloves. To simplify, all these required products are tagged in the video in one full list to add to your cart. Let us look closely at the yearly income numbers, which can easily reach $72,000. Out of that total annual revenue, your actual take-home profit will be roughly $57,000. This low-scale business model operates with a consistent 79% average net profit margin. Another technical secret is using digital invoices, which speeds up client payments by 5 business days. So the first actionable step you can take right now is researching the average pricing in your local area. Next, register your sole proprietorship with your state office to make your operation completely official. Finally, distribute 40 flyers to homes in a wealthy neighborhood to secure your very first 3 clients.